Today let's make a rich but very tasty Dhaba style ginger chicken. Boomba boomba baby! For many years when we say ginger chicken we add a little bit of chili sauce, soy sauce and all that, even in Indian preparations. But this one totally Dhaba style, no Chinese ingredient. So let's go ahead and make this. Add some oil, add cumin seeds and onion. Just like most of the Indian curries, make sure that the onions get brown, add a little bit salt and fry them till they are slightly golden in color. These onions have to be fried golden, and that will add the sweetness what the ginger wants to make this curry very tasty. In this, add lot of ginger juliennes, add turmeric, little bit of garlic paste. When the ginger also gets slightly fried, only then add some chopped tomatoes, some green chilli, chili powder, coriander powder, little bit of garam masala, and to this add some curd. And now you got to get the gravy. I have some cashew nut paste. This is not a thick cashew nut paste, little bit watery. Add to this and slowly cook this for at least 4 minutes so that the cashew nut paste, everything is cooked along with the tomatoes getting slightly mashed. Slow heat cooking for 4-5 minutes. You don't want the cashew nut paste to burn. Now oil, everything starts turning up, whereas the gravy is all cooked up. In this, the chicken that has been brined, okay, the pieces are small, boneless, and this chicken is brined, so it will cook much faster even though the tomatoes, everything is there. Mix in this, let the juices from the chicken come out, and that will help form a nice gravy. With the lid on and low heat cooking, all the juices from the chicken have come out. This is how you concentrate the flavors and make it very tasty. Look at this, perfect and very tasty. In this, I'm going to add green chilli, a little bit of Kasuri methi, some chopped coriander, and we're going to add cream to this. This is optional. Mix it right away so it doesn't curdle. Ooh. Oh. Nice, silky, saucy. And add some butter. A little bit, just to satisfy my inner soul. That should be good enough. Switch off the flame. Wow, that's it. You know, this is best enjoyed with naan, roti, rumali roti, and even with rice. This is good. This is going to be in my tummy in few minutes. Just awesome. Little, not too much, and a little bit of, friends, a little bit of cream and some rogan on top. My goodness. If you say ginger to perfection, the ginger that is cooked along with the brown onion, that sweetness and not overpowering. The pieces of ginger, green chili, you got to say, boomba boomba baby. Absolutely boomba boomba.